Happy Thursday. We're making breakfast on the Blackstone because we still don't have a stove. We still don't have a working stove. So the stove did end up arriving, but we still don't have countertops or backsplash, and the piping for our stove is not correct. So hopefully by this weekend we'll have a working kitchen. That's to be determined. We haven't got any updates yet. So Blackstone it is, which is not a big deal, but having no kitchen with small kids is a lot. We're gonna fire these up while they're on the griddle. And that is breakfast on the Blackstone.